self, never draw on facial hair again because it don't look good on you. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a great day, a great night. Today I'm gonna go on a little story time over one of my awkward Valentine's dates. The first date, I'm gonna be going over it, and hopefully this can teach you some lessons. Hopefully you guys like this because I feel like it's a pretty funny story and how it all happened. But I want to know, what are your awkward date stories below? Did you have some awkward Valentine's days or other awkward dates? And let me know below. Also, subscribe if you have not already. It will help me out a lot. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. Okay, so to start out this video, we're gonna get real. We're gonna get real. So this was a blind date with a co-worker had set me up. She told me all about this guy and he seemed really awesome. So I was like, okay, great, we'll go on this date. And somehow planning and all the planning, we ended up doing this on Valentine's Day. So first date, Valentine's Day. So that was probably a lot of the problem. But anyways, we do this, and I had an event I was at all day long, so it was kind of late. So I get back from this thing, I'm kind of already exhausted and a little tired, but I was like, I'm gonna go on this date. We already planned this, let's go. So we were planning on going bowling. So he comes and picks me up, and he seems nice, seems like a good guy. So we go to the bowling alley, and it is full. It's crowded with people, so he's like, I know a great little place we can go to. And I pause, because when you think of great little place, now, if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think when you think of great little place. I'm thinking little mom and pop shop, maybe like a little Mexican restaurant, something you haven't heard of, like hole in the rock, like little place. So that's something I'm thinking, oh yeah, this is really cool. And a little backstory to this, at the time I had a lot of food allergies and I couldn't eat a lot, and I since then have gotten a lot of that under control. But I told him I can't eat a lot of stuff, but whatever. So I'm thinking, okay, we're going to this place, I'm really excited to try this out. So we're driving and we're going through, and I'm like, okay, and we're still talking, and he seems like a nice guy and everything's pretty good. But then we pull up to JCW's, and in my mind I'm thinking, this is your small little place? I'm thinking like a Mexican restaurant, or you know, the mom and pops. And we're going to JCW Burger Boys. I'm like, great. We go in and we get some food, and I got something that probably I really shouldn't have ate. That ended up making me sick a few days later. Another long story, because I was like, I don't really know, and at that point I was just like, whatever, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. So I just got it. I was like, can you get me a chicken sandwich, blah blah blah. Anyway, so we sit down and we're eating our food, and I can tell he really likes me, which is fine. Like, that's great. And I'm like trying to have a conversation, but then he just kind of starts talking. He just keeps talking and talking and talking, and that's fine. Okay, I can handle that. Like, not my favorite thing. Guys can talk a lot, whatever. But he's trying way too hard, and he's talking about how I go to the gym all the time, and I always eat healthy. And I really don't want to be rude, okay? But it was just obvious that he didn't go to the gym a lot, and he wasn't eating healthy. And I'm just sitting here like, I don't even care, dude. Like, if you go to the gym, I don't even care if you go to the gym or if you work out. I don't care if you go to the gym. I don't care if you eat healthy. Like, that's up to you. But don't lie to me. Don't lie to me, dude. Tell the truth. I just want to hear the truth. And so he just goes on and then goes on his family story. And at this point is where I am just I'm just zoning out at this point. I'm not paying much attention. I really should have been better on this date. Like, I admit that. But at this point, like, he has been not telling me all the truth. I don't know what else could be real or not. There's other random stories. And I just kind of start zoning out. And it was probably to the point that he would ask me questions or different things, and I'm not totally paying attention. It's like, and this went on for about 2 hours. So, finally, I'm like, we're going home. Like, I'm not feeling great at this point. I'm tired, I'm worn out, I'm hardly paying attention anymore. I'm not being a great date at this point either. So finally we were leaving, and it's like 11, maybe 12 at night, and I'm like, I'm tired, I'm ready to go home. He just kind of keeps talking, and we pull up to my apartment, and he just keeps talking about random stuff. I don't even know what he's talking about at this point. I'm like, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, so we get to my front door, and I'm thinking, I can go in, I can go get some sleep, I can go feel better. But he keeps talking, and talking, and talking, and talking, and talking, and talking, and talking. So this keeps going on, and I'm like, I don't know how to sneak away. And I also, like, me now, I can handle these different situations better. By the time it was like fresh out of high school, I was like less than a year out of high school, and I was not very good on these dates. And I'm just trying to be polite and be nice to this guy. I'm really trying hard. And he just keeps talking. I'm not sure like how to leave. So finally I look over, and I see my roommate. Car pull up, and I'm thinking, I'm gonna be saved. And I wait like 5-10 minutes. She doesn't get out of her car. And I'm waiting. And I'm waiting. And I'm waiting. And finally she gets out of her car, and I'm thinking, hallelujah, you're gonna come save me. I can leave. So she starts walking over. She gets out of her car, her and her friend, they get out of her car, and they go to her trunk. And then they start rustling around into it. And they're rustling. And they're rustling around in the car. And I'm sitting here like, please come and save me. I just need help. So they keep doing this for like another 5-10 minutes, rustling around the car, finding different things. I'm like, what are you doing? And this guy's still talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. And at this point, I don't even know what he's saying. I'm like, I don't really know. I'm paying more attention to my roommate over in her car than I'm paying attention to him. And apparently he still thinks I'm interested, and I don't know what to do. So finally, another like 5-10 minutes later, my roommate finally comes with her friend, and she's coming towards me. I'm like, great, hallelujah. And she comes, and I'm like, I can sneak. I'll be like, hey, like, dude, I need to go. Like, oh yeah, yeah, I'm gonna go with her. And I'm like about to into the door, and suddenly he's like, wait, and he just keeps on talking and talking and talking and talking for another like 10 minutes. And I'm like, dude, I don't even know at this point. I'm like, I want to be nice to you, I want to be polite. At this point, I don't know. And then finally, after like 10 minutes, I don't know, I was able to end it, just being like, I need to go. And able to end the date and leave it. That is my awkward Valentine's date. And what I learned from it, first dates on Valentine's Day, blind dates are not a good idea. And 2, don't ever lie on your dates, because that is not attractive. And 3, yep, 1 and 2. That's what you learn. You don't learn a lot of else. I don't know what else I learned, but tell the truth. It means a lot. And that was my awkward Valentine's Day story. So please learn, guys, if you're watching this, or girls, anyone. Don't lie to impress someone. Be yourself, and that's enough. It would have impressed me a lot more if he was telling me the truth. That was what I hated, was he was just lying. At that point, I just zoned out. I don't remember anything else besides on that date. It's the biggest thing. So if if you guys want more awkward dating stories, let me know below. Also, let me know if you've had any awkward dating stories, because I want to know if anyone else can relate to those. So let me know what they are, and maybe you'll be featured on my Instagram story. So please subscribe if you're not already. It would mean so much to me. Also share my videos with anyone you would think would benefit from this, and give it a thumbs up. I hope you have a great day, great night. Bye, love you.